Grüß Gott and welcome to the renowned Lichtenstein Castle. As you step foot into this iconic landmark, prepare to immerse yourself in its rich history and captivating beauty. This magnificent castle is located in the region of Lower Austria, Europe. Its picturesque setting in this charming part of the continent adds to its allure and makes it a truly enchanting destination to explore. Lichtenstein Castle was built between the 12th and 13th centuries, although the actual builders are unknown but suspected to have been of noble descent. This castle was named after the Lichtenstein family and is still privately owned by that family after more than 900 years. Lichtenstein Castle was originally designed with the purpose of serving as a fortress, aiming to safeguard against potential invaders. The architects drew inspiration from various architectural styles such as Gothic, Renaissance, and Romanesque when constructing Lichtenstein Castle. The result is a stunning and captivating structure that harmonizes with its breathtaking natural surroundings, making it a must-see destination. Regrettably, Lichtenstein Castle was abandoned during the 18th century and gradually deteriorated, falling into a state of disrepair. Nevertheless, in 1884, Prince Johann II of Liechtenstein initiated an extensive restoration project to revive Lichtenstein Castle and bring it back to its former glory. Today, Lichtenstein Castle is open to the public, allowing visitors to explore its remarkable interior and learn about its fascinating history through guided tours. Furthermore, visitors to Lichtenstein Castle have the option to enhance their experience with an audio guide, which allows visitors to explore at their own pace, available in multiple languages. Inside this exquisite castle, one can admire the captivating Gothic-style interiors, including a majestic chapel and grand halls. These stunning architectural features add to the allure and beauty of Lichtenstein Castle, providing visitors with a glimpse into its rich history and grandeur. Exploring the magnificent grounds of this historic site is an absolute must. The picturesque surroundings of Lichtenstein Castle offer a delightful experience, inviting visitors to take leisurely walks and revel in the beauty of the landscape. During your visit to Lichtenstein Castle, take the opportunity to make a side trip to the nearby Danube River. It offers a beautiful backdrop that complements the castle experience, adding to the overall charm of your day trip. Lichtenstein Castle has garnered additional fame through its appearances in popular television series and various movies, including the 1993 adaptation of The Three Musketeers. Its striking and distinctive architecture has made it a sought-after filming location, drawing attention from fans of both film and history. Lichtenstein Castle has become a popular destination for both photography enthusiasts and couples looking for a picturesque setting for their weddings. Its romantic ambiance makes it a highly sought-after location for capturing special moments. A visit to Lichtenstein Castle promises an extraordinary and unforgettable experience. The combination of its rich history, stunning architecture, breathtaking surroundings, and cultural significance creates a unique atmosphere that leaves a lasting impression on all who have the privilege of exploring its grounds and marveling at its beauty. Make sure to add Lichtenstein Castle to your travel bucket list. It is a destination that deserves a special place among your must-visit locations. The castle's captivating allure, historical significance, and beautiful surroundings make it a truly remarkable and unforgettable place to explore. And that concludes our video about Lichtenstein Castle. I hope you found the historical information engaging and that it has sparked your curiosity to visit this magnificent castle someday. Discovering its rich history and experiencing its beauty in person is an opportunity not to be missed. Please remember to show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our Travel and Bucket List Tuesday video series. By doing so, you can stay informed about our latest content and continue to explore exciting destinations together. Until our next video, happy travels!